Hi, today I will show you how to do motion tracking. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. I want to do something like there's a text right above this woman, like maybe let's say Naomi and 5 kilometer here. Before we do it, let's just hide it and click null object by right click and add null object. On the footage, let's look for track motion on the right side of the After Effects, and then you will see this little square here, and I think for me I will put it on her face here, so whenever the face is moving the track will follow the face. Okay, that's it. As you can see, there is the movement here in each frame. Now edit the target and choose the null effect. Say OK and apply it on X and Y. X is for horizontal, Y is for vertical. That's it. This little red square here is the null object, and let's try to play it. Let's just reappear our Naomi 5 kilometer here, and then all we have to do is just parent this text into the null object. This is it. This is the tracking. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!